Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change OneNote app theme and background. You can easily change OneNote theme and background. Open OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search and type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system. OneNote app is now open. Here from the top left corner, go to File, and at the bottom you will find the option More. Click on it and choose Account. Here you can easily change OneNote Office background as well as Office theme. So click on a small arrow and you will find a lot of background available here. Choose any one as per your choice, as per your requirement. Various type of background appear here, underwater and such interesting background you can easily change here. A spring, stars, and just below Office background you will find the option Office theme. Here you can choose dark gray, black, white, use system settings and colorful. Choose as per your choice. If you choose white, then your OneNote app background will change. So from there you can easily change your OneNote Office background and theme in your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.